thanks for using Delta, guys. We have that message, and click on home button and look at this, all scripts are aided successfully. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here and you will find instruction, okay? Or let me just show you. So go to your official profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, super easy. Let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it's found, and the next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest review for this Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel to support this channel, okay? I will record more of these. So let's see, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not enrolled to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher with the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will not travel town and Modo Casino, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting, okay? And let's see the next step. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, so let me play this Grow Garden. Okay, guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have this panel and boom, look at this. Thanks for using Delta, guys. We have that message and click on home button and look at this. All scripts are aided successfully. Just click execute, okay? And let's wait a little bit and boom, look at this. Just wait. Look at this, guys, scripts are aided. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you next. Bye.